KTOS Technical Analysis Report, July 12, 2025 Overview and Trend. KTOS stock exhibited significant volatility from April 14, 2025 to July 11, 2025, with the closing price rising from $32.985 to $51.71, a 56.77% increase. The stock peaked at $52.5699, July 11 high, and hit a low of $31.48, April 21. Key movements included a steady climb to $47.09, June 30 high, and a sharp rally to $51.71, July 11 close, plus 11.95% from July 10. The overall trend shows a bullish trajectory with intermittent corrections, culminating in a strong upward move in early July, though high volatility suggests potential for a pullback. Price and volume analysis. The price ranged from $31.48, April 21, to $52.5699, July 11. Significant moves included a rally to $46.9699, June 27 high, plus 12.81% from June 26 close, with 16,654,494 shares traded, and the July 11 close at $51.71, plus 11.95%, with 9,418,923 shares. The average volume was approximately 2,814,445 shares, with peaks on June 26, 13,922,818 shares, and June 30, 7,719,975 shares, likely driven by market sentiment or sector-specific catalysts. The volume-weighted average price, VWAP, on July 11 was $48.69398736030494, below the close, indicating strong buying pressure. On-balance volume, OBV, rose steadily to 60,266,606 by July 11, reflecting consistent accumulation. Moving averages, EMA and SMA. On July 11, the 5-day simple moving average, SMA, was $46.624, and the 5-day exponential moving average, EMA, was $47.45952596704528, both below the $51.71 close, signaling strong short-term bullish momentum. The 10-day SMA, $45.642, and EMA, $45.87676413458679, reinforce this, while the 20-day SMA, $43.8595, and EMA, $44.02097976410184, indicate the price is well above the medium-term trend. The 50-day SMA, $43.1324, and EMA, $43.26990480796411, confirm a bullish longer-term trend, with the 200-day EMA, $39.86953462974246, acting as strong support. The price's position above all major averages suggests continued bullish momentum, but potential overextension. Technical indicators. Momentum indicators. Relative Strength Index, RSI 14, at 73.44677382763965, up from 55.37114535346332, June 24, indicating overbought conditions, greater than 70, and potential for a pullback. Stochastic Oscillator, 15-day stock K, at 81.55093039254125, and stock D, at 72.64001198967361, reflecting strong momentum, but nearing overbought levels. Stochastic RSI, 5-day stock RSI K at 100.0, up from 0.0, June 24, confirming overbought conditions. Williams % R, 14 at minus 6.3368189890861113, improved from minus 66.70533642691412, June 24, indicating reduced selling pressure, but near overbought territory, momentum. 10-day at 10.38, reflecting the strong rally from $41.33, June 26, to $51.71, July 11. Volatility indicators Bollinger Bands. Upper $48.877290250696895, middle $43.85950000000025, lower $38.8417097493033156. The price at $51.71 is above the upper band, suggesting overextension and potential for a correction. Average true range. ATR 14 at 2.5870435129000028, up from 1.3014007903756326, May 20, reflecting increased volatility during the July rally. Trend indicators MACD at 2.3160462462245377, with a signal line of 1.92036633736242111 and histogram of 0.395679908862111657, indicating strong bullish momentum. Average directional index, ADX 14, at 24.5994431566173333, suggesting a moderate trend strength. With recent increases indicating a strengthening bullish trend. Arun Oscillator, 14, at 71.42857142857143, Arun up 100.0, Arun down 20.0, confirming a strong uptrend. Volume indicators Chaikin Oscillator, at 6,636,992.93494099975, reflecting strong buying pressure, consistent with the OBV increase. Money Flow Index, MFI 14, at 64.434841697168, down from 76.48132562116011, June 6, indicating healthy, but not extreme buying pressure. Other indicators Commodity Channel Index, CCI 20 at 259.81560290227867, up from 47.61908999935,709, June 24, indicating overbought conditions. Ultimate Oscillator, at 69.20910764181727, up from 44.1295852964066724, June 24, suggesting strong bullish momentum. Triple EMA, Team at 10, at $48.48853619005071, below the close, reinforcing short-term bullish strength. Linear regression. The 14-day trend strength forecast, TSF 14, at $48.05670329670329, is below the July 11 close of $51.71, suggesting the price is slightly above its linear regression trend. Potentially overvalued in the short term. Earlier TSF values, e.g., $44.61087912087915 on July 1, align with the rally. Next trading day opening price prediction overbought RSI 73.44677382763965 and stochastic RSI 100.0 suggest a potential pullback. but the strong MACD histogram 0.39567990886211657 and high volume 9,418,923 shares indicate continued buying interest. For July 14, 2025, the opening price is estimated between $50 and $53, likely around $51.50, assuming no major catalysts. Support and resistance analysis: support levels $46.624 for 5-day SMA, $45.642, 10-day SMA, $43.8595, 20-day SMA, $43.1324, 50-day SMA. Resistance levels $52.5699, July 11th high $48.877290250696895 or BB upper. The current price at $51.71 is near resistance, with strong support below at moving averages. ATR based high and low predictions with ATR 14 at 2.587043512900028. Starting from the $51.71 close, the expected daily high for July 14th is $54.297043512900028, $51.71 plus 2.587043512900028, and the low is $49.122956487099997, $51.71, 2.587043512900028. These reflect moderate volatility and align with recent price action. Possible scenarios: bullish scenario, if volume exceeds 10M shares and positive catalysts, e.g., NASDAQ sector strength or earnings, emerge. KTOS could test $52.5699 to $55, supported by strong MACD 2.316046246224537 and a rune up 100.0. A break above $52.5699 would confirm further upside. Bearish scenario, overbought RSI 73.446773827639665 and CCI 259.8156029022787 suggest a potential pullback to $46.624, 5-day SMA, or $43.8595, 20-day SMA, if selling pressure increases. The Chaikin oscillator 6,636,992.93494099975 indicates strong buying but could reverse with profit taking. Neutral scenario, consolidation around $50 to $52 is likely, supported by TSF 14 $48.05670329670329 and moderate ADX 24.59944315661733. The price's position above the Bollinger Band upper limit suggests a short-term pause. Conclusion: KTOS surged 56.77% from $32.985 to $51.71 over the period, with significant volatility marked by a peak of $52.5699, July 11th, and a low of $31.48, April 21st. The July 11th close at $51.71, plus 11.95%, with 9,418,923 shares reflects strong buying pressure, supported by rising OBV 60,266,606. Overbought indicators: RSI 73.446773827639665, CCI 259.8156029022787, suggests caution, with an estimated opening price of $51.50 on July 14, ranging between $49.12 and $54.30. Support lies at $46.624 to $43.8595, with resistance at $52.5699. Investors should monitor volume and NASDAQ sector developments for breakout or pullback signals. Additional considerations: the high volume on June 26, 13,922,818 shares, and June 30, 7,719,975 shares, likely reflects institutional buying or sector-specific news impacting NASDAQ stocks. The beta 14, at 0.6374619622323855, indicates lower volatility relative to the market, despite price swings. The parabolic SAR, PSAR, at $41.2539583060279 is below the current price, supporting bullish momentum. Traders should watch for macroeconomic factors or sector-specific catalysts impacting NASDAQ stocks.